What's up everyone, it's Linda back again with another video. For today's video, I have a pink glitter cut crease tutorial for you. And if you like this look, keep on watching so you can see how I created it. So we have one eye done and we're gonna get started on this one. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer because it's a nice thick consistency and can be used as an eyeshadow base. I had a lot of trouble working with this concealer when I first got it because I wasn't used to a concealer that dried so quickly. It has a tendency of leaving you a little bit ashy looking if you don't blend it properly and if you let it settle for too long. But if you work quickly, this is a very nice eyeshadow base. For this look, I'm going to be using my very cute and colorful new palette. I've only used it a few times, and this can be found on the Gia Rose website. I will link all her information to her Instagram page and website below. Also, be sure to use my code LindaLashes for a discount on any items. I'm going to start with a nice little fluffy transition brush, and for our transition color we're going to be using this really light, almost salmon color, and we're just gonna swipe it along our eyes like this. I like to use a nice fluffy brush. It has to be clean, and this technique is what I like to call dry brushing, where you just blend what you've already applied. And you'll notice that the dry brushing is a technique that I'm going to be going back to after I apply every color. I always go back to dry brushing. And this is basically my secret to blending. So as you can see, it looks a lot more blended, and you can't even really see the harsh line between my natural eyelid color and the nice transition color. Building up onto our nice pink color, we're gonna go to this hot pink color here, build up from the transition color. If you've seen my do's and don'ts of makeup, you'll remember that I said to always start with your lighter colors and build up to your darker colors. We're going to use our dry brush again. It's easier to build up to the colors that you want than to start dark, mess up, and then try to lighten. So for blending, it's always best to build up from your lightest colors. See, so after our dry brushing, you'll see that the pink is still blended and looks nice. Grabbing a more dense blending brush, I'm going to use, this is the hot pink that I use. I'm going to be using the nice hot purple next to it. And the same technique of building up from the pink. And this is just making the color more vibrant. Going back to our clean dry brush, we are going to dry brush again. Dry brushing after every layer, like I said, is the secret to a perfect blended eyeshadow. Now we're getting to our darker color. I'm going to use black. This is a very dense shader brush, and we're going to dip into the black. And I'm going to define where my cut crease will be. Like so. And I know this looks crazy, that I hate harsh lines, but trust the process, because this is not how we're gonna leave it. Going back to all the brushes we've used, we're gonna go down the line of the colors that we used. So back to this one, we're going to blend out the black with the purple that I previously used. Then the pink, and then our dry brush. Now we're going to cut our crease using the same e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm going to grab a very fine angled brush. I'm going to start with my inner corner. And that's our cut crease. Using a flat shader brush, we're going to dip into the shimmery pink color. You do not swipe, we press it into the cut crease. Using Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, I'm going to give myself a nice bold wing eyeliner. Next, we add the glitter. Using my Duo lash glue. This is the best glue for applying glitter because it has the nice brush applicator. And we're going to apply glue everywhere we want our glitter to be. Using a nice flat brush, dip into your glitter and tap the glitter into your lid. Then a nice chunkier glitter on top. Reapply eyeliner anywhere you have glitter fallout. Then we clean up the eyeliner. Using my GiaRoseLashes. This is the beautiful Halloween packaging. This is the style Peachy. Going to apply eyelashes now. Please click the link above if you'd like to see my video on how I apply my lashes. Next, using my MAC Graph Black eyeliner, I'm going to tightline my waterline on the top lashes and the bottom. This makes my top lashes look more cohesive with the liquid eyeliner. To create a sultry look, I'm adding the pink and purple eyeshadows that I used on my lids on my under eyes. Using these Wet n Wild gems, I'm going to grab the smallest size gem and put it in my inner corner. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll show you once I'm done. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. My lips, I'm wearing the MAC Selena lip liner pencil in Selenaville, topped with the MAC Aladdin lipstick in Whole New World. This is a very pretty pink. And it's a very pretty combination. I hope you guys enjoyed my glitter cut crease tutorial. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like my content, be sure to hit the bell so that you can get notifications every time I upload new videos. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. Don't forget to check out my description box below, and I'll link all information on the GiaRose products that I used today and the link to my Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.